video of curling her hair. Now we're gonna do makeup. Yeah! First we're gonna put her blush. Yeah. But not too much. So we're gonna...
Smil,
Huh?
tapos mo kayong ikita yun?
Apa. Hi, Papa.
Ayaw, bebe.
Papa, nagpa-vlog.
Okay na. Okay na.
What happened?
Okay na.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna put her this.
Sino bumili?
Yung Pilipino.
Ah.
Binili niya yung kaluluwa ko. Ipinenta ko na yung kaluluwa ko for one day. Sige, pagsasasaan niya yung katawan ko. Wow! Ang galing ni Jasmine ah. Sino naman yan? Si Haruka.
Rana.
Si Rana, ikaw si Harake. Sign up ka. Okay, sige. Mga bobo!
Wag mga bata eh.
Hindi naman sila yung sinawagan kong bobo. Yun ano, nanonood.
Ikaw naman si si Kung TV.
Kuno.
Kuno. Si Kung TV.
Kuno.
Si Zainab at saka si Rana.
Ikaw si Ilong.
Okay na pala! Bastos ka!
Ilong!
Now we're gonna put this lip tint. That it's for kids.
Lipsticks for kids. Wow.
Oh, don't do like. I'm gonna mix it, okay? Where's your mouth on this?
Ay, pukis.
Ay.
Ano ba sabi ko? Sabi ko pukis.
Baby ko, I'm hungry.
So what?
I wanna eat soup. May bilihan ba dito ng soup lang?
Wala.
Mama, saan ka makakahanap ng
I'm so hungry, guys.
Gonna make a mistake, of course. Habang ingay ng aircon. Okay. Now we know it, so we're gonna get the comb. Layo. Upuan ko pala. So we're gonna like not comb it because it's gonna be straight. Just in the middle, we're gonna open it and give space here. And then,
Dapat may lightings naman para makita na maganda. Wow, ganda ni Jasmine, oh! Ay, ni Shishi pala! You're so beautiful! Only that the one tooth is not good! Tawa mo naman, ang pangit ng tawa mo.
Ang baho ng kamay mo! Push up!
and here.
What have you done?
But guys, we're gonna change her dress.
No, it's not allowed.
No, but you're gonna cover.
No, just leave it like that. Then finish?
There, so. The queens.
Not allowed to
Okay,
remove.
bye-bye, guys. So, we're not gonna show when she's gonna change. Bye-bye, guys. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and thumbs up. 3, 2, 1.